Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's session, we are going to discuss inserting a node at the beginning in case of your doubly linked list. So when you want to insert a node at the beginning of a doubly linked list, in that case, first thing you need to do is nothing but allocate the memory for the new node. Suppose I have just allocated the memory address like 1000 for my new node. So this memory allocation is again depends upon what type of structure you are considering for your linked list. Okay. Now after that I will go for read data for the new node. Suppose I have read data 10 for my new node. Now I want to add this new node into my doubly linked list. So in that case, we have the two cases. First thing is that your linked list is empty and you are trying to add the new node into your linked list. And second case is that your linked list is not empty and you are trying to add a new node at the beginning of your linked list. So the first case is that when your linked list is empty and you are trying to add the new node, that means you are adding the first node of your doubly linked list. So first thing, how to check your linked list is empty? So definitely we have to check the start of our linked list. If it is set to null, we can say that our linked list is empty. So here we are going to first check your start is equal to null or not, and if start is equal to null, whatever the node we are trying to add, that become a new start of your linked list. So what steps we are going to follow? So first thing is that when you are adding this new node, that become the first node of your linked list as well as the last node of your linked list. So for that we need to set start as well as last to the new node. Next thing is that you are adding this node into a doubly linked list. That means we need to set it next and previous pointer. So for that, I need to set the start next value to the null as well as start previous value to the null. Reason is that new node is a first node which is added to our doubly linked list. So for that, start is next is equal to null and start previous equal to null. These two statements are given. So these steps or these statements we have to follow in case of adding a first node into our doubly linked list. Second case is your linked list is not empty, it is already holding some data and you want to add a new node at the beginning. Here I am considering a doubly linked list with two nodes as well as I am considering this new node. So now I want to add 30 as a new node into my existing linked list. So it is represented with the help of variable, or we can say the pointer variable new node. And second is this is nothing but the start of my linked list. When I want to add this new node before this start, what statements I need to consider? First thing is that I am adding this new node before this start, right? So after adding this new node before this start, this new node next become a start, right? New node next becomes start. So that's why first statement is given, new node next is equal to start. Second thing is that this new node has previous value is nothing but null because we are adding at the start of our doubly linked list. So you need to set new node previous equal to null. Before adding new node, start previous value is null, but now we have added this new node before start so that your start previous become new node. So that was a third statement, start previous equal to new node. And we are adding a new node at the beginning. That means this new node become new start of my linked list. So I need to update the start of my linked list. So that was the last statement, start equal to new node. So this fourth statement we need to consider when we want to add the new node at the beginning in case of your doubly linked list. Hope so you understand how the new node is added into a doubly linked list at the beginning. Now we will check the code. So this is a full code for inserting a node at the beginning in case of doubly linked list. We are doing the slight changes to our previous code of create double linked list and traversing doubly linked list. If you have not gone through that video, just go through that video. Link is given in description box. So what changes I have done is first thing like that is I want to add insert at the beginning. So I have just added that choice as well as its case is added into your main function. Right? Again, I need to go for the prototype declaration for insert at the beginning. And after that, I have just keep the create list display function as it is, and I have added one more function that is nothing but the insert at the beginning. So now this is inserting a node at the beginning in case of double linked list. So as we already discussed, first we need to allocate the memory. After that we are going to read the data for the new node. After that we are going to assign data for the new node. And after that we need to take a decision how this node will be added into our double linked list. So whether it is a first node, that means your linked list is empty, or if your linked list is not empty, in that case how you are going to add data. Okay, now we will just execute the code. So first I will create a linked list. So I will create a linked list with just two nodes. So now I will show you display function. So currently 11 and 22, this is the status of my double linked list. Now I want to perform insert at the beginning. So I will use option third and I will add data 44. Again I will show you a display function. So now you can check 44 is added at the beginning. So initially it is 1122 and now 44 is added. Hope so it is clear to you how to insert the element, or we can say the node, at the beginning in case of our doubly linked list. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.